Tiga, mulai.
Ada
Hello
pelan-pelan.
everyone, welcome to our podcast. Today we'll have an exciting discussion about hobbies, interests, and talents. We all have something we love to do in our free time. And today we're going to dive deeper into that. I'm not alone, I have three amazing guests with me. Could you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Natsir. I love playing the guitar.
Halo, I am Hilal. I love to playing basketball.
And hi, I'm Nova Fausnarto, and I'm passionate about motorcycle.
Before we get into your stories, how would you define the difference between hobbies, interests, and talents?
I think my hobby is something we do because we enjoy it, regardless of the how skilled we are at it.
I agree. An interest is more of about something we're curious about and want to explore more.
And a talent is naturally ability we have from a young age, but it still needs to be developed with practice.
That's interesting. So if someone has a talent but never practice, they might not reach their full potential, right?
Exactly. Talent alone is enough. Practice is the key.
Now tell us, how did you first discover your hobby?
I got interested in playing the guitar when I was a kid because my dad played at home. At first, I was just messing around, but over time, I really fell in love with it.
Uh, I started playing basketball in elementary school. At first, I was just an extracurricular activity, but the more I fly it, the more passion I am become.
I've loved motorcycles since middle school. I used to watch people modify their bikes, and eventually I joined a motorcycle community and started going on road trips.
That's so cool. What started as just curiosity turned into a major part of your lives? Developing a hobby isn't always easy. What challenge have you faced?
For music, the biggest challenge is staying motivated to practice. Sometimes, when life get busy, I don't get enough practice, and my skill start to decline.
For me, basketball discipline is the hardest part. You have to keep your body into the shape, and if you miss practice for even a few days, it's easy to lose your playing basketball.
In the motorcycle world, the biggest challenge is the cost. Bikes aren't cheap and there are expense for maintenance, modification, and fools for long ride.
That makes sense. So, how do you overcome this challenge?
I remind myself why I start. Listening to my favorite song get me excited to practice again.
Uh, if me force myself to stay active, even if it's just a short training session, the key is consistent.
And I set aside a special budget for my motorcycle expense so I don't feel guilty about spending money on it.
Do you think hobbies can turn into a careers?
Definitely, many musicians start hobbies and eventually become professional.
The same goes for basketball player. Many pro start by just playing for fun at school, but with hard work, they made it big.
And the motorcycle industry is huge too. Some people turn their passion into careers by opening repair shop, selling bike parts, or even becoming professional racer.
That's inspiring. So, the key is consistency and always learning, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Absolutely.
Out of all your experience, what has been the most exciting moment in your hobby journey?
I once performed at big music concert, and it was incredible. Seeing people enjoy my music was unforgettable.
Uh, if me, I participant in the tournament of my elementary school. We didn't win, but playing against top team really motivate me to improve.
Oh, I went a long motorcycle road trip with my community. The sense of brotherhood and the thrill of the ride made it an amazing experience.
That's amazing. From your stories, it's clear that hobbies aren't just activities, they can lead to some of the best moments in life. Wow, time flies. We've had a great discussion about hobbies, interests, and talents. One thing we've learned is that hobbies can be meaningful and even turn into careers if we stay committed.
That's right. The most important thing is to keep enjoying what we do.
And never stop learning and improving.
Great. A hobby should always be something that brings happiness, not stress.
Thank you all for sharing your stories today. And to our listeners, we hope this episode inspired to explore and develop your own hobbies. See you in the next episode.
See you
See
See
too.
you.
Thank
ya.
you, Agung.